This brand is only available in the USA and only through their limited contractor network. The furnaces use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. They are multi-position units which allow the dealers to have less inventory and therefore lower costs. The CLQS1 Series models have a 95% AFUE combustion efficiency and they use durable ECM blower motors which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. Their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands, but it does include their peace of mind warranty on the heat exchanger where the entire furnace is replaced if the heat exchanger fails within 10 years of installation. This brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.